Hey guys, this is Juhi from JP Tarot. Today I am going to do a pick a deck. You can use this stone for choosing also. Today I have a pick a deck reading. As you are seeing, there are two decks. So choose your deck. So please timestamp because I am not going to do that. Those who will timestamp, I will be thankful. And so let's get to the reading. Those who chose pile 1, you have respect yourself. God is willing to give you the happiness you deserve. Choose. It's time to decide. Pain will teach them your value, else time will. There is nothing in your hands except to wait. Then you have let things unfold naturally. Forcing change will only bring hell out of it. Then you have loving someone doesn't mean accepting disgust. Let them learn and come. You can't play their role all the time. Now from this you have stable love, marriage after struggle, so you will have to wait. You have unstable love, physical attraction. You have dogmatism from the part of parents, no solution. Then after 1 year take a move. Caution, don't jump off the cliff without safety. Misfame ahead. You have don't be fooled, wait for solid commitment. Marriage proposal at the doorstep. You have obstacle. You have I can't live without you. You have let me love you. It's I love you. Nice card. Persevere. I'm sorry. I am here. See me around you. Conflict. Struggle. Hate you for your defensiveness. Not harmful. No marriage. There's yes. I will come back. Stable love, marriage ahead. Hate your defensiveness, no revenge after marriage. Unstable love, physical attraction leading to madness and marriage. So as you can see guys, you have loving someone doesn't mean accepting disgust. So if you are facing some kind of quarrel with your person, then you need to wait. It's time to decide what to do ahead. Let them play their role. Time will teach them and pain will teach them. Time will come, you can't play their role. Time will teach them your value and then they will come back. Things will unfold naturally. Don't force it. Forcing it only bring hell out of it. let them learn their lesson and come. Let things unfold naturally, and respect things as they are. Okay, if he is doing something wrong or misbehaving with you, accept it. God will provide you all the happiness, so don't fear. Have you stand your ground. Okay, you have marriage ahead and no revenge after marriage, so it's a safe marriage. But there is lot of passion, lot of physical attraction, but this marriage will come only after struggle. And there is some uh, physical sensual type of energy, but ultimately they are going to marry you. And there is the obstacle which I was talking about is from their parents part. Maybe you don't belong to their class or society or caste or anything. Okay, so considering that, don't jump off the feet. Okay, of the cliff. Okay, analyze things, wait for the right step coming to your doorstep. Okay, marriage proposal to your doorstep. Wait for the involvement of the elders, the parents. Don't jump. Okay, so there is lots of they will not take you, they will don't accept you. But after conflict and few obstacle, and with due perseverance, lots of struggle, ultimately you will see there will be a marriage proposal coming to your door. And this will be not harmful marriage. And you know that your person, despite he is quarreling with you, he is around you, he is talking you, and for all his behavior he is sorry. But the thing is that he is behaving otherwise, that his parents are not agreeing with his will. Okay, so he can't live without you. He wants you to give him a little bit closeness, but you are not giving it. So they often quarrel with you. But don't worry, it's a frustration. You are not letting them coming close, and their parents are also not accepting you. It's just frustration. So they will sort out all those things and come back to you. And there is a I love you, and yes for what? For marriage. Okay, because they are working on that. So you have very good reading. Congrats.